Unlocking the meaning of the eyes of an eagle. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the expression, the eyes of an eagle. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication skills. Let's explore what makes this idiom so special and how you can use it in your everyday language. At first glance, the eyes of an eagle might seem straightforward. It refers to the literal vision of an eagle. Eagles are known for their exceptional eyesight, capable of spotting prey from several kilometers away. This physical trait has made them symbols of keen vision and focus across various cultures and languages. In the realm of English idioms, however, the eyes of an eagle transcends its literal meaning. When someone is said to have the eyes of an eagle, it means they possess an extraordinary ability to notice or observe details, often ones that others might easily overlook. This can apply to a wide range of scenarios, from spotting errors in a document to observing subtle social cues in a conversation. To better understand this idiom, let's look at a few examples. In a classroom, a teacher with the eyes of an eagle might easily spot a student cheating on a test, even from the back of the room. In a group project, having a team member with the eyes of an eagle can be invaluable. They might notice small mistakes in a report that others miss, ensuring the final product is polished and accurate. In everyday life, someone might compliment your eagle-eyed observation if you find a small but significant detail in a book, movie, or piece of art that adds depth to the overall understanding. Incorporating the eyes of an eagle into your language can make your speech more vivid and expressive. It's perfect for praising someone's attention to detail or describing your own observational skills in job interviews or personal stories. Remember, like all idioms, it's best used in informal or creative contexts rather than formal writings. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secret behind the eyes of an eagle. This expression is a powerful tool in English, capable of conveying admiration for sharp observation and attention to detail. Whether you're complimenting someone else's keen vision or highlighting your own, this idiom adds color and depth to your language. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll join us for more explorations into the rich world of English idioms. Until next time, keep an eye out for the beauty and depth in the language around you.